Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's often on a lot of people's minds. What makes women want you sexually? Let me tell you, it's not some big mystery. It's about understanding what genuinely attracts women, and I'm not talking about cheesy pickup lines or superficial tricks. We're going to break down real strategies, real behaviors that create that spark, that desire that goes beyond the surface. Are you ready? Let's do this. First up, confidence is key. Real confidence comes from within. It's about knowing your worth and feeling secure in who you are. Have you ever noticed how someone lights up a room when they're comfortable in their own skin? That inner confidence is magnetic. It makes you stand taller and speak with conviction. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a muscle you can build. Challenge yourself to step outside of your comfort zone. Confidence is about being comfortable being yourself, and that's a game changer. Next up, we're talking about communication, but not just any kind of communication. I'm talking about the kind that truly captivates a woman's attention, the kind that leaves her wanting more. Women are drawn to men who can hold a conversation, and I don't mean just talking at them, but truly engaging with them. Listen intently, ask insightful questions, and show genuine interest in her thoughts and dreams. Be present in the conversation, make eye contact, offer thoughtful responses, and show her that you value her perspective. Great conversation is a two-way street. It's about creating a connection, a shared experience. Vulnerability is key. Share your own thoughts and feelings. Authenticity is magnetic. Focus on having genuine, engaging conversations. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Now let's talk about physical fitness, guys. I'm not saying you need to have a six-pack to attract women, but taking care of your body is crucial. Think of it this way. Your body is a temple, and how you treat it reflects how you feel about yourself. When you prioritize your physical health, you're not just improving your appearance, you're boosting your energy levels, your confidence, and your overall well-being. And that, my friends, translates into an irresistible magnetism. Hit the gym, go for a run, find a sport you love. It's not about achieving some unrealistic ideal, it's about feeling good in your own skin. The confidence that comes with taking care of yourself is a powerful aphrodisiac. Plus, when you feel good physically, you project an image of vitality and strength, qualities that are inherently attractive. Remember, physical fitness isn't just about looks, it's about feeling your best, both inside and out. And that's a powerful message to send to the world. Chapter 4. Emotional Depth, Your Secret Weapon Host. Here's a secret that most guys don't know. Women are drawn to men who are in touch with their emotions. Now, before you panic, this doesn't mean you need to start writing poetry or crying at sad movies. It simply means being comfortable acknowledging and expressing your feelings in a healthy, authentic way. Think about it. Would you rather date someone who bottles up their emotions or someone who's willing to be vulnerable and share what's going on inside? Emotional depth creates a sense of intimacy and trust, and it shows that you're not afraid to be your true self. Share your passions, your fears, your dreams. Let her see the real you, the man beneath the surface. When you're open and honest about your emotions, you create a space for deeper connection. You're showing her that you're not just a pretty face. You're a complex, multifaceted individual with thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Remember, emotional intelligence is a superpower. Embrace it. Chapter 5. Humor, Your Secret Weapon Host. Let's talk about humor, gentlemen. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a stand-up comedian, but being able to make a woman laugh is a powerful tool. Laughter creates connection. It breaks down barriers, and it shows that you don't take yourself too seriously. When you can make a woman laugh, you're creating a shared experience, a moment of joy that brings you closer together. But here's the key. Don't try too hard. Forced humor can be a major turnoff. Instead, focus on being playful, on finding the humor in everyday situations. Tease her gently, tell a funny story, or simply embrace your own quirks. The goal is to make her smile, to create a lighthearted atmosphere where she feels comfortable and relaxed. Remember, a good sense of humor is a sign of intelligence and wit. It shows that you can think on your feet, that you don't take life too seriously, and that you're fun to be around, and who doesn't want to be around someone who makes them laugh? Chapter 6, Respect and Kindness Non-Negotiables, host. Now, this one should go without saying, but it's so important that I have to emphasize it. Respect and kindness are non-negotiables. This means treating her with the same courtesy and consideration you would want for yourself. Listen to her, value her opinions, and be mindful of her feelings. Open doors for her, compliment her sincerely, and make her feel special. Remember, small gestures of kindness can go a long way. Respect her boundaries, both physical and emotional. Ask for consent, be mindful of her space, and never pressure her into anything she's not comfortable with. Remember, a true gentleman is defined by his character, by how he treats others. When you show a woman respect and kindness, you're not just demonstrating good manners, you're revealing the core of who you are. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. Guys, women are drawn to men who can take charge, who can make decisions with confidence. Now, this doesn't mean being controlling or domineering. It's about being assertive, about taking initiative, and showing that you're capable of leading the way. Plan a date, make a reservation, surprise her with a thoughtful gesture. When you take the lead, you're demonstriruet svoj uverenost, and your ability to handle whatever life throws your way. Women find that incredibly attractive because it shows that you're not afraid to step up and take charge. It's about creating a sense of security and knowing where you stand. But remember, taking the lead doesn't mean bulldozing over her opinions or desires. It's about finding a balance between assertiveness and consideration. Listen to her input, be open to suggestions, and make decisions together. The goal is to create a partnership where both of you feel heard and respected. All right, gentlemen, let's talk about personal grooming. Now, you don't need to have a perfectly sculpted physique or spend hours in front of the mirror to be attractive. But taking pride in your appearance shows that you respect yourself and that you care about making a good impression. Start with the basics. Shower regularly, maintain good hygiene, and find a hairstyle that suits you. Invest in a few key pieces of clothing that make you feel confident and put together. Remember, it's not about following every trend. It's about finding a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel good. Pay attention to the details. Trim your nails, keep your facial hair groomed, and choose a cologne that complements your scent. The key here is to present the best version of yourself to the world. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will radiate outwards, making you even more attractive. Gentlemen, one of the most attractive qualities you can possess is the ability to be supportive and understanding. Life can be challenging, and knowing that you have someone in your corner who will listen without judgment, offer a shoulder to cry on, and provide unwavering support is priceless. Be there for her during tough times, celebrate her successes, and show genuine empathy for her struggles. Listen intently when she talks, offer words of encouragement, and let her know that you're in her corner, no matter what. Remember, a strong emotional connection is built on trust, understanding, and mutual support. When you show a woman that you're reliable, dependable, and compassionate, you're creating a bond that goes beyond the superficial. You're showing her that you're not just a fair-weather friend, you're someone she can count on, someone who will be there through thick and thin. And finally, gentlemen, one of the most attractive qualities you can possess is passion. When you're passionate about something, whether it's your work, a hobby, or a cause, it ignites a spark within you. It makes you more interesting, more engaging, and more attractive. Think about it. Would you rather be around someone who's just going through the motions or someone who's excited about life, who has a fire in their eyes? Passion is contagious. It draws people in, and it makes them want to be a part of your world. So pursue your interests, explore your curiosities, and don't be afraid to let your passions shine. Talk about what excites you, share your experiences, and let your enthusiasm be infectious. When you're living a life that's full of passion, you become a magnet for like-minded individuals, and you create opportunities for connection that you never thought possible. So there you have it, 10 things that make women want you sexually, and they work every time. Remember, attraction is about more than just physical appearance. It's about how you connect and interact with others. If you focus on these areas, you'll not only enhance your attractiveness, but also build stronger, more meaningful connections. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you found most helpful. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.